If you move to Tableau Desktop, there are a few new things there as well. Again, you can see that I have Tableau Desktop 2020.1 and 2020.2 available. Let's begin, of course, with 2020.1. Let's take a look at our same COVID-19 dataset. Also, we can drag it in here just like we did in prep. Let's rename our dataset. Okay, COVID-19, same data that we've seen before. We go to our sheet 1, see if we create a map by double-clicking on my geographic data, which are the different countries. We can see, okay, in all of these countries, we have some COVID-19 situations ongoing at this point. Let's add the cases to the size and also add the cases to our color. Okay, let's add the colors. Let's use something that's typically bad, which would be the red color, and let everything pop out a little bit more. Like this. Okay, so we now see that, of course, Europe is not doing very well, but I think we all know that in the US, the situation is also quite serious. But what's causing this? How can I find out which of my rows or which of my data elements are causing this big spike? In the past, we had to start creating separate sheets, add some stuff on a dashboard, play around with it to discover ourselves through data discovery what went wrong. These days, Tableau tries to help us a bit more by giving us this new feature. It's not new as of 2020.1, it just improved with the performance and the tips it gives you, and that is explain data. It's visible in your tooltip next to the option of grouping. If you click on explain data, Tableau will try to look through all of your underlying data to find out, okay, what is going on? Well, he says, okay, in this case, because my dataset is quite small, he says, okay, the average number of cases in the US is way higher than expected. Well, that's not super useful at this point. So let's see if we can create a scatter plot that sets cases against the number of people passed away per country. You'll see right now, if we say change overall, we again see the US here. What do we have? Italy, Spain, France, Great Britain. Can you tell us anything about it? It's higher than expected, and okay, some of that's by using our explain data, we can try to make sure that we understand what's going on in the underlying data if we see some outliers. With this data set that we see right now, it's quite clear it's just daily data on deaths and the number of cases. Let's see in our next upcoming data sets, if I try to use the explain data feature, that we see some more explanations of Tableau. You'll see that in this gray, darker gray area on the left side, you'll see there are a number of elements empty where Tableau normally or can do some suggestions when you find something weird in your underlying data. This explained data is also available on your Tableau server by just clicking on a data point or data element or a mark as it's called in Tableau and going to explain data. It can only give you some more information of things you don't know yet by Tableau analyzing the underlying data set. That's the whole idea of explain data. And it became a bit faster and is more performant when you look at large data sets because it looks at the row level data. So you can expect that in the previous versions, it wasn't always too fast.
On the performance.